also nurtured a great following by fiercely advocating for an overhaul to environmental policy. Over time, he made extremist groups like Earth First and the Earth Liberation Army seem conservative in comparison. People were drawn to his iconoclastic personality, his uncompromising purpose. He supported civil disobedience, dramatic protests. But then everything changed. Lisa leaned closer, studying the pockets of tiny particles densely packed into the lungs' small air cells. Those definitely looked like viral particles, Lisa admitted. But I've never seen anything so small. Edmund nodded his head. I took measurements from some particles budding along infected cardiac muscle fibers. This is from a scanning electron micrograph, offering more of a 3D view. The new picture revealed individual viruses attached to branching muscle bundles and nerves. A scale had been included to offer some measure of size. Looks like they're less than 10 nanometers, Lisa commented. That's half the size of the smallest known virus. Which is why I stepped in to help. Lindahl elbowed Edmund out of the way. To get a clearer picture, I collated the protein data from the team's molecular biologist. From that data and using a program I patented, I worked up a three-dimensional representation of the virium's capsid, its outer shell. Lisa studied the spherical modeling of the infectious particle. She was impressed at Lindahl's skill, close to the point of accepting his arrogance. That's the outer face of our monster, Edmund said. Henry is already in the midst of doing a genetic analysis on what's hidden inside that shell. Dr. Henry Jenkins was a geneticist from Harvard. But we can still extrapolate plenty from this capsid, Lindahl said. Enough to say this is an artificial construct. Beneath that protein coat, we found carbon graphene fibers, each only 2 atoms thick, woven in a hexagonal pattern. He brought up another image alongside the last one, showing that protein coat removed this time, leaving a tangled webbing behind. It definitely looked artificial. Lisa pondered the significance of those man-made fibers. Graphene was a remarkably tough material, stronger than spider's silk. It almost looks, she said, as if Hess was trying to engineer the equivalent of a Kevlar layer under that shell. Lindahl turned to her. Exactly. Very insightful. This additional substructure could account for the virium's stability, how it's proven resistant to bleaches, acids, even fire. Yet none of this answered the bigger question. Is that tough coat protecting? Lindahl continued. It seems Dr. Hess engineered a perfect shell, one that is small enough to penetrate any tissue, animal, plant, fungus. Its unusual size and nature might explain why it's so universally pathogenic. She nodded, remembering how the organism had sterilized the soil to a depth of 2 feet. Why did Hess create it?